everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We are going to go through 10 vintage print ads that have sold this last week or so in my eBay store. I wanted to present a video that solely focused on print ads. It's been a while since I've done that. I've been mixing in lots of postcards, but on this video, once again, we're just going to deal with print ad sales, 10 or so for the last week. We're going to start off here with 3 consecutive Ralston advertisements that sold to one individual. Really nice sales on this one. You can see the first one is for this whole wheat cereal from Ralston Products, $15 plus shipping. 2 adorable toddler-esque girls. Looks like one is really happy to have her Ralston wheat cereal. One's disappointed because she doesn't have any. Poor thing. $15 on that one. Second one also for Ralston wheat cereal. Looks like it's saying, "Was I really handicapping Jimmy?" My goodness, apparently not giving him his Ralston product is not giving him that maximum advantage to grow into a strong young boy. And that one went for $16.49 plus shipping. And then the final Ralston ad, really nice one from back in 1918. You can see the price there, $22 plus shipping on this one for cereal once again, but it's World War I era, and it's really cute because you have the little girl dressed as a nurse, I guess, and then the little boy dressed as a soldier. I like that ad. I thought it was very nice. $22 on that one. All the way up to 1968 we go for this Valentine Ale vintage print ad. It's basically a beer product, Valentine Ale. My grandfather used to drink Valentine all the time, so it kind of brought back some memories of him. $16.50 on this one as well. Kind of strange image here. You have a guy, it looks like he's going to be scuba diving or something, or deep sea diving. Lighthouse in the background. But nice one there nevertheless, $16.49. And now to my favorite era. For anybody who watches the show or my videos for any period of time, you'll know I'm a huge fan of the World War II era advertisements. This one right at the beginning of America's involvement in the war anyway, 1942, Camel cigarettes. Classic combination. I did take a best offer on this one of $15. Nice advertisement though. As we take a look at the blow up, you could see the pilots there. And then a young lady down below smoking her Camel cigarettes. Camel, of course, being a very popular product, highly collected. $15 best offer on that one. 1927, we go for another Maxwell House coffee ad. This one sold $16.49 plus shipping. You can see the blow up here. It looks like a maid serving her boss or something in her bedroom. Very delicate, more delicate than any other recipe in the world, as a matter of fact. Maxwell House good to the last drop. To 1932 we go, beginning of the Depression. Bonami Kalina. I really like the styling here. Somebody out there want to leave a comment as far as what that styling is called. It's just very evocative of that period, I think. The early 30s, late 20s kind of thing. If it does not hurt your fingertips, it certainly will not scratch your bathtub. Bonami, very popular product back then. You'll see lots and lots of advertisement for it. It's just basically a cleansing powder or scrub. We got $16.49 on that one, plus shipping. All the way back to the turn of the century, 1906, for Hamilton Brown American Gentleman's Shoe. This one went for $22. You could see just a really good condition advertisement. Kind of a weird looking shoe, but very fancy. And this one comes from an issue of Collier's magazine from, again, back in 1906. Great sale there. All the way back, the oldest one here is 1904. Another Ralston product, but purchased by somebody else. This one for $17.59 plus shipping. This is also a smaller advertisement. It just measures 8 by 5, but you can see the image there. This one discussing that you can make 1 cup of this Ralston product fill 6 saucers full of food. Very nice. Great one there, $17.59 plus shipping. And then the 10th and final advertisement we're going to take a look at in this video from 1916. This one is also from Collier's Weekly. It's a big ad, 15 by 11. National Cash Register Company, antique. Again, over 100 years, qualifies as an antique print ad. And this one went for $22 plus shipping. There's a blow up of the image. Just all black and white, as you see, kind of a silhouette. And there's the cash register down there. And that'll do it for this video, everybody. Thanks so much for coming in. If you have an opportunity to leave a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Please leave your comments below if you have any questions or comments about the products I showed you today. Print ads are a wonderful, wonderful way to make some money here. If you're a reseller, they're often bought for pennies, if that, per item. And you can see the return on investment is quite high. I have a whole video series, which I'll link above, whatever side this is, for vintage print ads, an 8-part series. If you'd be kind enough to subscribe to the channel, we'd be honored to have you if you're not yet subscribed. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks again so much for watching. Bye-bye.